thanks to you that the scientist is. However, bigger threat is coming. That's why certain things have to remain silent. There is no evidence that makes them